guys know, I'm horrible at wearing wigs. I just don't know how to do it. I can't pluck things. I don't bleach things. I've always just worn like my natural hair. Okay, you guys, I'm going to share with you what I did to get this wig looking decent. Like, I would be in public like this. Like, I think I look cute. I would curl it maybe a little bit more. It fell already. It doesn't look like how I usually wear wigs. It's not me. I mean, I have a skill level of a 1 out of 100 for wearing wigs. It's just, I can't do it unless they're already kind of made for me. So what this company does is they create human hair wigs, which is insane. I've always felt Tokyo style wigs were super expensive, and I thought that was the only kind of human hair wig you could get. But these are handmade, and this is relatively inexpensive. I think it was like $200. That's a great deal because my extensions are $200, and I don't get this like much hair. Half of an inch of pre-plucked hair. Like, it's insane. If I knew how to lay baby hairs better, I would do it better, but I don't because I'm Stella. And I laid them down and it already started to come to life. So this wig, you can part it anywhere. At first I had parted it right here, and I had like put this down and then this down and then created curls, but it felt a little old for me. I decided to go with a different look. I put this up in a little bun. It was cuter earlier. There you go. I put it up in a little bun, and then I had this completely curled, but it fell because I'm trying not to put too much heat on the hair because I want it to last. So next what I'm going to be doing is flexi rodding it maybe in the next couple of nights. Preserve the hair more than putting heat on it. I really didn't want to put heat on it, but I didn't have another choice because of the hairstyle I wanted to do today. I'm really happy just how easy it was to install because, like you guys know me, I am so bad at wigs. I'm good at makeup, horrible at hair. That's why my hair is always just straight, and it's just easier for me to do that. So I'm really happy that I have another option now where I can just, you know, put this on and bye, lay down. I'm gonna learn how to do that little swoop with my baby hairs. Y'all know we go like finger wigs. But like even like this, like look, like this baby hair just like goes right into my hair. And it looks so natural. Like, that's so crazy. Like, usually wigs, you're like hiding your ears. Look. Oh, you want to see behind my ear? You want to see my ear? Oh, my earrings? Oh, thanks. I got them for Christmas. Like, you know, like, it's just so great. It's just something easy. And I'm not a hair person. I just didn't grow up like that. So it's really nice to be able to learn and have companies that make it so easy to be on fleek. And also, if you do like this hair, make sure you click the link for DyHair down below. Killed this. I think a big girl can pull this outfit off. You know, I love to show off my body, and I'm very happy with every little piece of me because I know exactly where I am in my life and I'm happy. I think I pulled this off. I think I look hot. I was feeling myself, not even gonna lie. I was taking a couple little Snapchats. I was on Instagram. Like, I was feeling myself for sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and I will see you guys very, very soon. As always, love, Stella. Toodles.